What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, y'all?
Corey and Charisse here with the Tech Help. When you saw the thumbnail,
you know what it is.
we upgrade in pairs. So we've got two iPad Pros, 3rd generation, 12.9 inches, and
I'm ready to open it.
we're gonna unbox it. Let's go. All right, babe. What are you unboxing first?
The iPad, honey. I'm unboxing the iPad.
Guess that makes sense. Go for it.
All right.
You want our trusty unboxing box cutter, or you want to?
I don't know. Apple makes it so simple to open things that I kind of just want to open things.
Well, we'll see how long that lasts.
Okay.
Oh, they did make this so like I can't preserve the box.
You can't. Not really. I'm sorry.
Oh, yes, I can.
Oh. I did not preserve it. This thing got destroyed immediately. Oh, well, that's a little disappointing. I thought it was just going to open down the side, and it just, like, ripped the whole front. But it is what it is. Oh, well, yours... Meanwhile, yours is, like, perfectly...
Perfection. Stop that over here.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
Y'all,
It's so,
I am
so
geeking
beautiful
out.
through the plastic.
I'm geeking out, guys.
Oh.
Okay, let me see about just opening up this plastic here. Oh, it's so soothing. Let me see if I can preserve it Corey style. I did! Look at how beautiful. Obviously, we got the space gray.
Oh, but
He is so bougie, y'all.
check this out. Just a little.
Just what?
Just a little.
I'm sorry, just a what?
Just a little.
I'm sorry, just a what?
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
There we go.
You did all that, but my paper still looks exactly the same as yours.
Oh, man, yours look a little crumply.
You're...
I'm sorry.
Oh, I almost said something about
This
your mom,
joint
but we're
is-
about to see her in a couple of
This joint
days.
is thin. Oh, my goodness.
This is, guys, like, this is beautiful. Hello?
So what's in the box?
Oh, sorry, we are unboxing this.
Yeah.
Maybe we should look. So, as always, there is... The box said, hurry up and open me. There's your packet of information inside, which is gonna have your, hopefully some stickers. It's an iPad Pro in case you didn't know what you bought. Some regulatory information, blah, blah, blah.
Oh,
Your
SIM
eject tool, which is nice.
New.
It is new. Obviously, we bought the cellular version. Some gigantic Apple stickers. And is that it? Am I slipped?
That's it.
I think that's it, y'all. Okay, moving on.
The fancy USB-C, brand new for 2018. 18-watt power brick for everyone complaining.
No, go ahead. You're rude.
I'm not rude. USB-C. And then, of
Thing
course,
is massive.
That's what she said.
obviously, USB-C cables. Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Dance, dance, dance. But yeah, always really simple to unbox something from Apple.
Super simple
Let's get to the main event.
and very satisfying.
Hello! Hi. Hi. Swipe to open. That's already weird.
Oh my gosh, guys. I mean, if you've already had like Face ID devices, like phones for the last little while, it's not so weird, but it's still a little weird.
Forgot about my quick start. I'm gonna grab my
Oh, true. Where's my phone?
setup.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through this little quick start here. Waiting for phone.
Oh, that's you? That's you.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, this is funny.
My quick start went to you.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Set your phone up.
There we go.
Hurry up.
All right, so in case you've never seen the process before, I'll just give you waiting for iPhone. You get your phone to eventually go over the hole. There we go. And you finish it up on this.
How does that feel compared to the other iPad? Where's your other iPad?
My other iPad's over there, and this feels crazy. The screen is obviously just as big, but the iPad clearly has a smaller footprint. I've had the 12.9-inch iPad Pro since there was a 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and it always felt really big.
Why did you get it so big?
That's what she said.
In fact, funny story, Corey remembers, I'm sure, I took it back initially because it felt too freaking big.
That's what she said.
I thought you said I took it back in a Chili's. I was like, what? Yep, don't mind me. I got a new iPad.
A little boozy today. No, it's not. All right, so in my syncing, we're up to data and privacy. I hit continue, I'm confident. Ooh, Face ID. So this process is super simple. If you've ever done it on a phone before, then you know you look silly. You wiggle your face.
I'm winning.
Is it a race?
Yeah, you doing all that talking. I'm trying to get into the iPad.
I'm sorry, we're only telling people about unboxing it, so maybe I should tell people about unboxing
They know how this works.
Oh, sorry.
Sign up and log in.
All right, setting up my Apple ID.
Restore your apps. No, November 3rd, that was the last time.
Was November 3rd the last time you had an iPad?
Sure was.
Okay.
I know.
You been going through withdrawals?
I know.
Can you talk about it?
I do.
Okay. Hello, group.
I
This
want
is
to
Corey.
agree. Continue.
Ooh, restore. Restoring.
I'll set up Apple Pay later. I forgot that was a thing.
Oh, Cruddle Duddles. I can't restore from a backup because I'm running a beta. Oh no! Oh no! That is painful. That struck me in the heart.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why I don't be liking to run the little betas.
That's not even true. You just haven't had an iPad to have the little beta.
This iPad contains purchases from the iTunes Store made with a different Apple ID. Skip this step.
So you don't want purchases made from my Apple ID?
Nope, I want them tied to my own. So I guess we will take a quick intermission and be right back. Alright, so my iPad is restoring its backup. I lost a SIM card along the way somewhere.
I don't really appreciate the way that you said my iPad is restoring its backup. As
Hey.
if to emphasize the fact that mine isn't.
I'm just saying.
Cool.
I will unbox this thy smart keyboard.
Oh. Well, while you unbox it like that, I'm gonna wait to unbox it the same way because there's no pull tab on this one.
You don't want to rip it off like you did before?
I was about to get smart-mouthed with you, but no, you can't rip it off. There's no, like it doesn't have any of the rip-off spots. I know. They ruined it. I wanted to. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I slide this guy out. Of course we have the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio.
Ooh, that's fancy.
This is. So let's see what the back of that looks like. Of course, there's these fancy pull tabs. Oh, it's just one. One and done.
Let's just pull it open.
Yeah, it just opens up. Of course, you have the front. It almost looks like a little bit of a book. You have your back. And then open it up.
Ooh.
To show your keyboard. Slide that to the side as well. Yeah. So of course you can see the smart connector has now been moved to the back of the iPad instead of on the side. There's magnets all around.
Smart.
And allegedly, I get this super thin thing to come out.
Open it.
Allegedly, all you do. Yeah. Wow.
It's connected.
It just literally slides
Does it feel really secure?
right in place. Yeah, it really actually does. And then, just like that, we now have, wow,
Wow.
well, that's pretty straightforward.
It actually looks really snug. I know, it's kind of
real. It is really.
I know it's kind of hard to say based on like just initially using it, but does it feel like you're gonna run into the issues we had with the previous smart
No,
keyboard?
because from my understanding from Mr. MKBHD, there are magnets all across, so you pick it up.
Oh wow, no, this is like, this is secure.
All right, so we have the old school Apple Pencil.
Old school.
Time to upgrade to the new.
Well, while you do it that way, I am gonna open the Apple Pencil the way that God intended for it to be.
Okay.
God or, you know, Johnny Ive, whoever designed this at Apple. I got about this far into opening it before I gave up on that. So,
Oh, we're having a struggle bus.
oh my gosh,
There
I'm
it
struggling
is.
to open this.
Slide it right on out. Gen 2.
What the heck? I already cut my box twice trying to open this.
Oh boy. So let's see. How's this fancy thing open? Oh. The pull tab.
Wow. That's probably why I was having such a hard time.
Oh my. Oh my, oh my. So, before we get to the main event, there's a plethora, you hear me? A plethora of goodies that no one really cares about.
I care.
Tells you how to remove the tip. Pause. And safety and handling. The 1-year warranty on accessories. That's a lot of warranty information. And then of course, the wonderful Apple Pencil. Wrapped up this. I don't have a fancy one. I'll undo this one.
You're not gonna slice it open? Here's the unboxing knife.
Nope. Open. That feels good. And you can immediately tell
Yeah, you can.
it is shorter, it is thinner, it feels better, it's matte so it doesn't get all like slippery like this guy does. And it's got that nice little flat edge which should make it not roll
Yeah.
on the table.
And then even just this cute little detail of the pencil.
It actually looks like a pencil.
It looks like a pencil and then it calls itself a pencil, which I'm simple, so I really appreciate
Do it in comparison.
Sorry, I know I have your pencil.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This never felt bad to me, but that one feels better.
Yeah, really better.
Really better?
A lot better.
A lot.
So, I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. Get that out of here. All you have to do to pair it is just... There we go. Oh.
That's fancy.
Would you like to pair? Connect.
Do you want to pair?
Whoa.
Oh, that is cool. What does it say?
Use apps in a whole new way. Create an instant note. Stop. Switch tools with a gesture. Explore double tap.
Way more tools available.
If you don't stop asking about this password. All right.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That was simple.
Very simple indeed.
A little simpler than having to plug it up to your lightning port.
Basically, and while it charges while connected, yeah, that's not going anywhere.
It looks really sturdy. Does the Folio also magnet to the front?
Yes it does. Yes it does. Color me impressed. Of course, you know, Charisse and I will have a full review. I was gonna say unboxing, but I think we did do
I think we unboxed it all.
But yeah, if there's anything you guys want to see, leave us a comment down below. Let us know. We'll probably give it a couple weeks. And oh no, I'm not gonna close out.
There's one more thing.
Yeah, I forgot to show you guys. Hold this one.
Oh, I'm holding it. Vanna Brown.
Vanna Brown. You look at the iPad compared
to the old original iPad Pro.
Yes.
This is already too big to even fit inside the screen. Look at that. Like, is that not insane?
Yeah, it's just like such a thinner profile. It even feels like it's lighter.
Wow.
It's just so much.
I mean, it has about the same thickness, but it feels so much smaller.
Yeah. Huge fan. Huge fan. Again, now we're done. Now we show that. Of course, the pretty lady to the right of me, to the left of you. No, still to the right of you on the screen. Yeah, no, she's Charisse.
I'm Charisse. This handsome guy over here.
I'm Corey. Together, we make
the tech couple.
And we will catch you guys
soon in the next one.
Later in another video. Or a previous video if you go back in the past.
Just stick around. You'll see us again. Bye.
Later.